I'm making Israeli salad. You know, the Israelis take big pride in making the salad very, very small, cut up in very, very small pieces. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to start with my parsley. I washed it well and I dried it up. I made sure my knife is nice and sharp using a knife sharpener. Now I like to do it, take as much out of the stem when I'm doing it for a salad. I'm cutting my onion up, trying to cut it very, very small pieces. This salad we're going to have for dinner with falafel that I made and hummus. That goes well with that. Israeli salad also goes well with shawarma. Really doesn't matter the order you cut your veggies, but we put our spices last. So you could use a food processor to shred your cabbage, but you really don't have to. I'm not putting too much of it in here. This is also optional. Cabbage is optional. So I've got my cabbage cut up, small pieces. Put it in the bowl. Don't forget to visit We Cook Together YouTube channel videos that I have. I have already posted many different salads and sauces and main dishes. I'm using Roma tomatoes, which I washed really well with soap. I don't buy any special soap for washing vegetables. I just use a regular soap, and with my Scotch-Brite I wash it, soap it, and then rinse it very well. You're too far from me. I'm going to put you closer. You're too far from me. I'm going to cut off the head of this tomato, and I'm going to cut it into 3 this way. 1, 2, and 3. So I cut my tomatoes into 3, and then I'm going to cut it into long pieces here, narrow, thin slices. I'm going to then turn it around and cut it again very small. So it's going to be diced. Garlic,